Good morning, Pastor Nirao.
Good morning, Lee Kim.
How have you been?
Very well, thank you.
I can see that it's a beautiful day
It is?
and doing what you always do, lighting candles for others.
Yes.
I have a question for you.
Sure.
Taking some time out from you lighting the candles. People say that Dorje Shugden is an evil spirit and harms practitioners. As a Buddhist pastor, what is your perspective on this?
First off, let me say that Dorje Shugden is not an evil spirit that harms practitioners. And I can actually explain this to you in two ways. First, from the point of the very principles of Buddhism itself, and second, from the point of view of the enlightened masters. Now, first, the very fundamental practice of Buddhism is actually taking refuge. Taking refuge in the three jewels, the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. So what is taking refuge? Taking refuge is having full and complete faith and reliance on the three jewels. And a benefit of that is being protected from spirit harm. So to say that Dorje Shugden is an evil spirit and can harm practitioners actually contradicts refuge, which is supposed to grant you protection. Secondly, if we are afflicted by spirit harm, we seek help from the enlightened masters, such as His Holiness the Dalai Lama, His Holiness Trijang Rinpoche, and many others. And the reason we seek their help is because they have spiritual attainments. And part of those spiritual attainments is the ability to perform powerful exorcisms, cure spirit harm, and provide protection. So to say that Dorje Shugden harms practitioners is actually to discredit the spiritual attainments of these very masters. So basically, there would be no point in going to these spiritual masters for teachings, for guidance, or for protection. So therefore, these are the two ways. If we say that Dorje Shugden harms practitioners, we actually contradict the fundamental principle of Buddhism itself, and at the same time, discredit the spiritual attainments of the masters that we seek out.
Thank you, Pastor Nirao, for your explanation. So basically what you have said from your explanation is that all these allegations against Dorje Shugden practice and statements that say that he is an evil spirit and harms practitioners is basically nonsense.
Correct.
I like that very much, and I think it should clarify a lot for many people out there who are confused. May I help you with the candles?
Please do.